Here we are again. But we're back in the 4000s. First time since November 19th, so this feels good, and we're going big. We are in the presidential range. Come on, Chewie. We are doing our last one of the presidentials. I'm gonna do Mount Madison. It's first spring hike of the year. And I know you really can't tell by the snowy conditions, but it's spring. Spring in the whites. The sun is out, it's beautiful. Blue day. Loving it. We are taking right there. We're going to Madison Hike, 3.8 miles. So it's probably going to be like an 8-mile hike altogether, a little more. That's it. Here we go. Back in the whites. Just continue on Valley Way. We started the day off, it was around 24 degrees. And I'm in 2 layers right now. So it's warming up fairly quick. It's supposed to get up into the 50s. I don't know how warm it'll be 5,500 feet in the air, but we'll find out. So yeah, beautiful. No, it feels like spring. So it's a good feeling. But that's it. Very spring day. So everything's still, all the falls are frozen, so we're not going to see much. It'll be very nice in the summer. All right, see you guys when it opens up. We're just going to be in woods probably for an hour. Well, just past the sign for Madison Spring Hut. We are 1.4 miles away. So it's pretty much been all like this, all uphill. It's probably been about an hour and 15 minutes. We've been hiking, an hour and 20 minutes. So we're getting close, we're getting up there. Opening should be coming up soon. Should get some epic views with no clouds whatsoever. I'm sweating even. But all right, onward and upward. Getting our first views. About 4,500 feet early. Beautiful day. A lot of people on the trail. We're almost to the spring, the hut, Madison Spring Hut. It's this last incline right here, but I just wanted to share the views of what's to come when we get to the peak. It's nice. I haven't been at this elevation since November. It feels good. Coming up on what do we got? Yep. Forest protected. Here we go. All right, see you guys at the hut. So we're gonna take a break. Epic view time. All right, we're almost at 4,800 feet and we are coming up to Madison Spring Hut. Feels good. Beautiful day, a little windy, but it's warm. Might put my coat on before we go up to the top of Madison there. Beautiful. All right. That's what we'll be taking, airline trail. Carolina when we did Mount Adams back in May, so it'd be nice getting to see the other side of the range. There it is, half a mile to the top. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Got the Chewie GoPro going. Like I said, we're gonna have a snack, some water, and head up. Get number 40 under our belt. Oh, you get your second win as soon as you're out in the open. Beautiful. You all know the feeling. Alright. Break time. Leaving the Madison Spring Hut, and we're heading up to the peak. Not too long. I think it was 0.5, I think it was. So the wind picked up a bit, but it's not too cold. People making it up now. It'll be a zigzaggy, but put the GoPro on and off, take some pictures. Beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, onward and a little more upward. I think we got about 500 feet of elevation left. Mount Washington way in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's probably a little dot, but yeah, we'll be able to see it better when we get to the peak. I'll put the zoom up a little bit on the GoPro all the way, but yeah, it's steep. Definitely using the poles to get up, it makes it much easier. Oh man, I take a break, I just turn around and take a look. It's nice. All right, to the peak. Epic views, epic views. Woo. All right, there's Washington. You can see the Autobahn road there. There it is. All right, that's where we're heading, to the peak. Close to the peak. It's windy, but it's not too bad. It's not cold. All right, here we go. We're up on the ridge line to the peak. 360 views. Chewie might be at the top. Falls Peak, I don't know. But we'll find out together. Ooh, it's blowing. nice little spot out of the wind, right on the side of the peak. Feels good. All right, I'm gonna scatter a little of my dad's ashes and think about him for a little bit. A little peace and quiet with the wind. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll take a few pics. See you back on the trail. Right, Papa? Good boy. You're a good boy. Peak to ourselves right now. Very windy on this side. On the other side of the peak, it was dead. It's warm over here. Ooh. That's the way we're going down too, so it should be fun. Whew. Coming back onto the hut. Probably stop there and have a little more water before we get going again. Maybe another snack. I really skipped lunch. I might have a tuna packet. We'll see. We'll be down there in about maybe 5 minutes. I'll see you guys back on the trail. I'm debating if I want to go do Valley Way or stick to the same one I just did. I'll probably just do Valley Way. I'm not gaining any elevation from the hut, I don't think. But my knees feel pretty good considering. So, as the old man would say, life is good. Life is certainly good. All right. Alright, so we just left Madison Spring Hut again, and we're just taking Valley Way back down. I was going to do Airline, but I just decided to do the way we came up. We were right on the trail already, so epic hike. I love the presidentials. I was our last presidential off our list. Feels good. Very special hike. So yeah, we're just heading back down. I'll give it a 4.5, just because you're in the woods for a good hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes without any views really. So rarely do I give a 5-star, but 4.5. That's a pretty high score. So all right, well, we're gonna make our way back to the parking lot and head on home. So glad we got to share this hike with everyone. I know the old man was looking from above and giving us some epic weather today. So for me and Chewie, we'll see you guys on the next hike. Happy trails. Be safe out there. Right, Papa? Right, Papa? Good boy. Yeah. All right. Happy trails.